Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the best Discord server for Valorant. Now, here are some of the top Valorant Discord server in 2024 that caters a various needs like funding, teammates, improving your skills, and participating in competitive matches. First of all, you could go with the official Valorant Discord. So you could also find this on the website. The official Valorant Discord is a go-to hub for a Valorant player with over 1 million members. It offers official updates like LFG, looking for group channel and spaces for general game discussion. This server is essential for staying connected to the latest news from a Riot game. Next, you could go with the Valorant LFG, dedicated entire to the funding teammates. And the server has about 730,000 members and is divided into regional channels such as NA, EU, and Asia. To make it easier to connect with the player in your time zone, it's ideal for both casual and competitive play. You could also go with the Valorant Pro. So a Valorant Pro is similar to Ascent but with more competitive edge. This server is perfect for player focused solely to fight high level teammates for ranked matches or pro level scrims. If this server offers something unique to whether you're liking for competitive scrims, casual play, or community engagement, you'll find a server that fits your need. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.